Morning everybody, Rick here. We are in Elmdale, Kansas. This is a legitimate ghost town. There are a few homes scattered around, but most of the businesses look like they've been abandoned. It's got quite a history here. Again, this is located in Chase County. This was founded sometime in the late 1870s, possibly the 1880s. We are 6 miles west of Cottonwood Falls, Kansas. About 6 miles west. There's a bank building built in 1898. Town Hall was built in 1936 by the WPA, the Works Progress Administration. There's also a limestone school, gymnasium, and auditorium somewhere here. We're going to try to find it here in a little bit. This is really cool. There's a lot of, well, not a lot. There's like 2 or 3 abandoned buildings here. So, there again, if you want to come along, put your coat on and come along and join me. Let's go check this ghost town out here. Okay, we're going to start right down here. Now this building here used to be, or was built as a bank. It says Bank 1898 up there at the top. We're going to take a peek inside here in just a minute. I'm going to go down here. We're going to get started here in just a minute. There's an old Airstream. A couple of old trailers sitting there. There's an old Airstream. Okay. And this says Bummy's Grocery and Locker. Looks like another very old building. So obviously, like the old Pepsi sign. So I get up here a little bit closer. Santa Claus there waving at us. Hello, Santa. And it says closed today. Huh, really cool. Okay. Of course, they got a looks like a fairly modern post office over here. This makes the second or third ghost town I've done here lately. And here's the former bank building. Let's go up here and see if we can get a better look. Oh, look at the vault. There's a vault back in here. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can get up here. We can see the vault. See, that would have been the vault back there. An old stove. They got some pretty cool furniture in here. I don't know if that's coming out or not. They got some pretty cool furniture. Look at that. And here's some displays in the front of the window. Oh. Let's see if we can see what's on back in there. Looks like somebody's working together a puzzle there on the table. Oh, pretty cool. Oh, here you go. Here's some history about the bank. People's Exchange Bank, Elmdale, Kansas. Operated 1875 to December 31st, 1993. Serving Elmdale and Chase County, Kansas over 100 years. The bank was founded as personal business by Elmdale resident Ebenezer Stotts, operating out of his home as Elmdale State Bank. It moved to a wood frame building adjacent to the eventual current limestone building in 1881. Okay. All right. Well, that's pretty cool. There's a little windmill down there. This also had several stores, garages, and that sort of thing here at one time. What happened was there was a really bad flood in 1951 that pretty much destroyed Elmdale. And a lot of people moved out after that. And this is all that remains. Looks like there's a nativity scene over here. Here's a basketball court. There's the bleachers. And watch a basketball game. There you go. And here's a stand of some sort. Elmdale, Kansas. And there's the nativity scene. That's pretty cool. This looks like it might have been a garage at one time over here. There's no Pepsi machine over here. And I know it works because somebody pulled in here and got him a can of pop or something over here. So that's pretty cool. Yep. 50-cent soda, the sign says. Okay. Here's another really old building right over here. A couple of really old buildings. I'm going to check those out here in a minute. I think there's somebody over here actually working. This little building over here's got something in the front window. And I think it might be history. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, Elmdale Museum, it says. And there looks like there's some old photographs. Okay. Now let's go back out here again. And this says Precise Wood Products, your custom crate supplier. Well, I like that front door. That's pretty cool. And I think the last building over here, Elmdale City Hall. Now this is the building that was built by the Works Progress Administration in 1936. There's a plaque up here, I'll just read it to you. It just says the Elmdale City Hall was built during 1936 and 1937. This was one of several WPA Work Projects Administration buildings constructed during the Great Recession in the spring of 1936. The citizens let me see, I lost my place here. Great Recession. The spring of 1936, the citizens of Elmdale held a special election and voted 63 to 47 to have a stone city hall built. Okay. There's a plaque over here. We'll see if we can... There's a few cars, such going by. Let's see if we can take a peek inside here. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. May still be being used. Okay. Let's go over and check out this park over here. Okay, this says Elmdale United Methodist Church Playground. I cannot pronounce that. I can't pronounce that. Park, dedicated to the loving memory of Pastor John Hastings. Oh, there's the, I assume, the church down there. Somewhere around here there's a school, auditorium, and gymnasium. And we're going to try to find it here just pretty quick. Jeffrey Brothers Mercantile Store, Main Street, Elmdale, Kansas. On this property, the original Jeffrey store was established in 1872 by P.C. Jeffrey, operated as Jeffrey Brothers Mercantile Store by brothers J.J., Joseph John, and P.C. Phineas C., and Clement L. Jeffrey from 1901 to 1922. Oh, okay, that's really interesting. So, right here, there was a mercantile store. And this talks about the flood of 1951. Elmdale lies in the Cottonwood River floodplain, and pyrrhic flooding was part of life for the residents of the town and surrounding farms. The flood of 51 on July 11, 1951 crested to this level to set a new record. The previous high water mark on July 17, 1929 was recorded on the door jamb of the telephone switch building 1 block south of this spot, where the switchboard stood on stacked wooden crates, and the operator, Mrs. Myrtle Dull, set on a nail keg for over 2 days to keep the telephone service operating. Wow. Huh. Okay. And there's the famous train. Well, sorry for the noise of the train. I think we're going to try to find the school and the gymnasium. I've got directions to get there if I can find it. So, this may be it for right now. I don't know. If there's more, I'll do a video on those buildings here a little bit, but if not, thank you for joining me. Hope you have a nice, pleasant day. Hope you keep warm. As always, I will see you on the next video. So, bye for now. Okay, this is the old auditorium. The school and the auditorium were abandoned in 1969 here in Elmdale, Kansas. I believe the building over there that used to be the high school is now a department, or it's a house. I'm sorry, that sun, I can't get out much further. I can kind of show you from far off, but probably all we can do at this point. And I believe that would have been the old school right there, although I'm not 100% sure, but the school and the auditorium set side by side. So I imagine that's what we've got. Oh, let's see if we can walk on around here. Well, it feels like it's trying to warm up a little bit this morning. And that was, I don't know what that was used for. I don't have any idea. Okay, I think that's all we're going to be able to get. This may be it as far as this goes for today. I did a video of the Silver Creek 161-year-old stone arch bridge just previous to this. I'm going to try to put them all together. If not, they will be there on my YouTube channel, of course. Thank you all for joining me. Hope you didn't get too cold out here today. But at any rate, hope you have a nice day. And as always, whenever that may be, I will see you all on the next video. So, goodbye for now.